Mole is super complex because it has nuts and dried fruit in it. I'm using peanuts and raisins give it that sweetness. When you're eating the mole, you're like, this is cool. It's charred, it's smoky, it's spicy, but also sweet. For extra heat, extra smokiness, my favorite might be the chipotle. This is a smoked jalapeno and adobo sauce. It's the best. It really is. It's smoky and it's hot. Lean into that heat. Mole's crazy complex because it has chocolate in it. This isn't any old chocolate. This is Mexican cooking chocolate. And if you smell it, it smells like cinnamon hearts. There's shots of cloves in there. It's crystallized on the bottom. It is so good, but it gives that mole that classic texture. So put a big chunk of the chocolate in there. If you don't have Mexican cooking chocolate, don't worry about it. Throw a Hershey bar in there. My dad would. Any kind of chocolate will do, so get that in the mole. And then last but not least, a little bit of garlic. And then add a few spices to my mole just to like bump up that craziness. Allspice. Cool, kind of mirrors the chocolate, little hits of clove in there, and then just for some warmth, earthiness, a little bit of cumin. And I know I season the veg, but I like to give it one more kiss of salt right at the end. Wow, and blend it. That's the mole. Oh, it smells so crazy from the chocolate. Look at that color. That is so amazing. Woohoo! That's the only reaction I got for that. It's so great. There's a touch of sweetness from the raisins in it. The chocolate gives it this kind of like warm, earthy, deep and dark feeling. It's really cool. All right, pull this into a pan. The chicken's got a good sear on it, but I'm gonna finish the chicken in this mole sauce, and as it cooks away, it's gonna be super tender. And then the mole acts as a marinade and a finishing sauce for the taco. So I'm thinking I made mole sauce from scratch. Why not make tortillas from scratch? What? I'm gonna do it, trust me. Let's get there together. They're super easy to do. You only need a few things to make fresh tortillas. One is corn flour. This is called masa, and this is what makes tortillas very authentic. And that corn smells exactly like a tortilla. So get that in there. So just the corn flour and water. Making the masa dough is all about feeling. So just get a little bit of water in there and start moving around with your hands. And you want to get a dough to form. So just a little bit of water and keep it going. Okay, this is how simple it is to make the dough. When it comes together, it looks like this. It's a perfect start. So what I like to do is just rip off a small little chunk and then roll it into a ball. But once you have a little ball, get a tortilla press. And here's a great tip. I cut a piece of plastic in 2 circles. You can put the dough right in the middle, put another plastic on top, close the lid, press it,